baby chef Neta. Today my mom is going to show spring onion Arbi curry. Curry, we need to boil some Arabis. Boil for 10 minutes. For curry, we are going to add some oil. Now we are going to add some mustard seeds. We are going to add some methi seeds. Add some cumin seeds. Add some onions. Fry a second. Add some tomato. Now add some spring onion. Stir a minute. Add some turmeric powder. Cook till tomato becomes soft. Going to add some Arabi. Add some chili powder. Just fry for 1 second. Add some tamarind juice. Salt as per taste. Now add 1 cup of water. Stir for a minute. Wow, how nice that curry is boiling. Add some roasted dhania powder. Add some garlic. Add some coriander leaves and curry leaves. Now mix well, friends. Curry comes thick. Add some little bit jaggery. Now take it into serving bowl. Now tangy, tasty curry is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video. Have a good day friends.